Welcome back to our channel. This is class 3 of our Figma beginner series. In this video, we will continue from the previous class and learn some important Figma tools. Let's jump into Figma and get started. Next, let's look at the comment tool. The comment tool is mainly used for giving feedback and collaborating with your team in Figma. To use the comment tool, select it from the toolbar or press C on your keyboard. Then click anywhere on the design to add a comment. You can type your feedback and mention teammates using the @ symbol. For example, you can leave a comment like please align this button to the center so it's easy to understand the teammates. Comments help teams communicate clearly without changing the design itself. Once the feedback is addressed, comments can be resolved to keep the file clean. Next, let's talk about plugins in Figma. Plugins help you work faster and smarter by adding extra features to Figma. You can use plugins for things like icons, images, charts, dummy content, and automation. To use a plugin, click on the resources icon in the toolbar or press Shift plus I, then go to the plugins tab and choose the plugin you want. Once installed, select an element, run the plugin, and it will apply changes directly to your design. Now let's see an example of how to use plugins in Figma. For example, let's add icons using a plugin. First, click the resources icon on the toolbar or press Shift plus I. Go to the plugins tab and search for an icon plugin like Iconify. Click on the plugins to open it. Now use any icon you like and insert it into the canvas. The icons is added instantly can be resized or recolored easily. In the same way, you can use plugins to add images, dummy text, or even create charts with just a few clicks. Plugins help you design faster and reduce manual work. You can also use plugins to add photos or images to your design. Let's see an example. The same way, first click on the resources icon in the toolbar or press Shift plus I. Go to the plugins tab and search for a photo plugin like Unsplash or Pixels. Click on the plugin to open it. Now search for the type of photo you want. For example, I will give nature. Click on the image and it will be automatically added to your canvas. You can move, resize and crop the photo just like in any other object in Figma. Using plugins for photos saves time and gives access to high quality images instantly without leaving Figma. So that's how you can use plugins in Figma. Whether it's adding icons, photos, dummy text or charts, plugins make your work faster and easier. With just a few clicks, you can enhance your designs and save a lot of time. Try exploring different plugins to see what works best for your projects. Thank you. In the next class, we will look at the remaining Figma tools, so please stay tuned. Until then, bye.